What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing another wig because obviously, this one right here is kind of.
Look at the bitch braids.
So yeah. There's blood on my edges, y'all. The wig cap is on my edges, but the wig was not on my edges. Puppies in my edges. Oh well. Ain't no bad edges from the start anyway, so. Oh well. They'll grow back. They'll grow back. So yeah. I think they'll grow back. I think they'll grow back. Yeah. Yeah, I think they'll grow back. So. Good old itch when you take a wig off. Okay. You know, it be a lot of people that just take their wig off and put another one on with their hair looking like this. No, baby, I'm not one of them. I'm gonna redo all of this because I'm not one of them. I'm not one of them. I'm not one of them little nappy-headed, lazy people. You feel me? I like to redo everything, feel refreshed, everything, baby, the whole motto. So yeah, we're gonna be popping these. Yeah, we're gonna be popping these. And yeah, so look at it. Colors is so nice. Just so nice. My fault, guys. My fault. My head be itching, baby. I've been going a long time without refreshing my hair and without scratching it. So whenever I need to scratch it, I'm going to scratch it. Don't judge me. Everybody scratch their mother freaking heads. You feel me? So yeah. It ain't nothing new. I'm just trying to regroup this head right here. So yeah. And now we're going to do this. It just feels so good, y'all. I can't help it. Guys, I braid my hair weird, so don't go with me. I do different styles or braids, or you know, I just do them differently every time, you know. So yeah. Oops, stomach growling. strands left into a, a ball. Okay. Okay, we're tucking the strands. Okay. We're patting and pointing. I don't know why I did that. Oh, I really got a big forehead. Yep. Why my head shaped like that? Oh my god. Oh, okay. I'm oiling my scalp. Okay, okay. I don't know why I'm using that oil. I think I was looking for a specific oil, like, I forgot what it was, but I couldn't find it, so I just grabbed that one, because, you know, growing up, that's what my mama and my grandma used to put on my head. Yeah, okay. That's a lot of oil, girl. All that oil, your scalp's still gonna be dry in the next 2 hours. Okay, we're massaging it in. Okay. Oh my gosh, my head shape is weird. Whew. Oh Jesus, Lord. Oh, why am I shaped like a? All right, we're showing that. Yeah, I don't know why we showing that. Like we getting paid to promote them, which we're not. Okay, we're gonna take a little drop. We're actually gonna get more later, but yeah. So yeah, we're putting that on my thoughts and we're brushing them back because I don't got no edges. I don't know why I put that right there. I ain't got no edges. Yeah. So we're brushing my thoughts. We're brushing those. We're brushing those back. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. We're still brushing. Still brushing. My hair shape's so weird. Oh my god. Okay. Whew. Jesus. I got a big forehead. Okay. We got the wig cap. We're we struggle with that a little bit. Okay. That's how you know my head big. That's how you know my head big. Okay. What we doing now? Duck lips. Peace. A. Ha. Okay. Yeah. What am I getting? Okay, we got the Lace Blonde spray. I used that can. I don't know why I said right at the top it's a pink can, but okay. We used that first to, get it all nice and refreshing, smelling nice. I don't use the yellow can. I get the pink can because it smells really good, and in my opinion, it works better than the yellow can. So yeah, even though like they're basically the same product, but that one's it works better. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna spray the whole can on my head, on my forehead, cause I ain't got no edges. Yeah, we're spraying my forehead. Yeah. I ain't even cut the ear tabs. When is you gonna notice? Is you gonna cut the ear tabs sooner or later? Like 77 years later, you still ain't cut them. Come on, girl. You slacking. There you go. So we're cutting the ear tabs. Yeah, cool. Yeah. Come on. Other side. Y'all, my head is long. My head is like one of them deflatable titties. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. So, girl, what is taking so long? Y'all like you ain't never did this before. You did. You have. Come on. Get it together. Yeah. What now? What now? Okay, so we got the styling gel. We're putting that on. Oh. Okay. So what now? Yeah, we're still rubbing that into our thoughts. Yeah, still rubbing that in. Okay. I don't know how long it's gonna take you to rub this in. Girl, get it together. BFFR. Come on. What are you doing? Girl. Okay, we get it, girl. We get it. Come on. Next up. We're bending down to get something. What are we getting? Nothing. Okay. Well, we're massaging it into our thoughts. I don't know why I do this, but yeah. We're massaging into our thoughts. Still massaging. Okay. Okay. What are we doing now? Getting a blow dryer. We're plugging it up. Okay, we're spraying. Scratch, scratch. My head itch. No? No scratching? Okay. Okay. We're blow drying. Girl, why is you doing it with your head? What is going on? Cool. And okay. Finally. Okay, now we're getting to the next step. Okay. I feel like I'd be the only one that does this. But I don't like just go across with the razor when I'm, like cutting the cap. What I do is I pinch the cap and I push the razor right up under my hairline, and when I push it, like I hold the razor and girl, what am I doing? What am I doing? Why aren't you what girl? Be for real. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Anyways, back to what I was saying. How I cut my wig cap is I push the razor on my forehead and I just pinch the cap and I pull it up so that way while I, cut the cap, it doesn't, it doesn't lift up more than it has to. But I think I cut it a little bit higher this time, so, you know, yeah. Okay. What's going on? What's going on? Okay. 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 Yeah. Okay. So my daughter just came in there and started messing with my picture. Okay. So I guess we're adding more styling gel. Okay. Well, come on, girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? I guess I'm trying to fix it. Because I did cut it up a little higher. You know. So, we're just going to pull that down. And we're going to try to fix this. Because we can't be coming out looking sad. You feel me? So, yeah. We're just doing this. Yeah. Okay. And we're smoothing it out. Just rubbing it down. There you go. There you go. Yep. There we go. We done fixed it. Hallelujah. There we go. We fixed it. We fixed it. Alright. Now, turn around. Leave my daughter turn back around. Hey, blow dryer on. We're drying it. Okay. I don't know why I'm rubbing it like that. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. I push the razor down and I pull the wig cap up rather than just to go across with it. So that helps the wig cap stay down and it helps me like cut it better in front of my hairline rather than, to cut it straight across and it lifts up too much. So as you can see right here, I'm putting more of the styling gel on and I'm about to blow dry it again to dry it really quick. The styling gel really helps me with this method because the styling gel, like, it shows me where my hairline is, if y'all understand what I'm trying to say. Um, I do use the glue, and I do put the glue above my hairline or whatever, but I feel like the styling gel works better with that. And yeah, so I'm just blow drying it, trying to get it dry. Yeah, I'm trying to get this dry. My daughter's in the back. She's been worse. So yeah, and then we're gonna finish cutting. There we go. Just lifting it up. Make sure the cap stays on and it doesn't lift. Okay. And now what I'm gonna do, once I get done with the cap, I pull it over my head. I don't pull it all the way like off, but I do leave it to the top of my head, but not too far up and not too far back. I leave it in the middle so that way if I have a side part, you won't be able to see it. So, yeah. Or like a middle part, you won't be able to see like the little band on the top of my head. So, yeah. And then I'm going to put more gel up there and pull the cap down. Just a little nice touch up. Okay. So we're going to be doing that. Just trying to perfect it. Make sure it's all nice. We're going to blow dry it again. Once again, I do blow dry. It's a lot during this video. So, yeah. We're blow drying. Just trying to get it dry. And all nice. My son is in the back. He came in the bathroom. Okay. And now I'm looking for something. I might be messing with my daughter. Sorry guys, that's my son. Okay. And now, yeah, okay, so at this point, what am I doing? Like, sorry guys, my son came in and asked for a piece of pizza. Okay, so I'm patting makeup on my cap. I don't know, honey. I don't know why I'm putting it up there like this. Cause I usually put it up there so much better, but I guess I don't know what got into me. It don't even look like it's my color. Okay. It is my color though, but I'm just saying. Maybe it's the wig that cap or the lighting that makes it look like that, but baby. Why am I using a why am I using okay. Well I guess I'm massaging it in with that yeah, it's lifting up, honey. You need to put some more gel up there. Lord, you can see the braid and prints up there from the makeup. Lord Jesus. Okay. Um, come on, girl. What's next? My head looks so long. Alright, so we're putting the wig on. And as you can tell by this wig, the lace ain't even giving, honey. The edges ain't either. But we're gonna make it work. Trust the process. We're gonna make it work. Okay. Mm-hmm. There we go. Pulling it in. This motherfucker grip in my head, you feel me? This motherfucker grip in my head. Like, it's gripping the heck out of my head. I'm like, hold on. I didn't know y'all came like that. Like, this motherfucker ain't going nowhere. I don't need no glue. Just put it on, go out the door, come home, and go. Yeah. Whew. Oh. Okay. Yep. Okay. What the hell? Damn. Well, I'll be down. I'll be down. I'll be down. Yep. Well, I'll be down. That's some fucked up shit right there. That's why you never go cheap. That's why I don't go cheap. That's why I don't go cheap. That's why I don't go cheap. Because crap like this happens. What's the point of making if it's going to do that? Well, I ain't even pull it that hard. You feel me? I just lift it up because it was too far back and that motherfucker said, like, hold on. Come on. But I still made it work though. I still made it work because guess what? I'm like that. I'm like that. I still made it work. What? Yeah. Okay. Thought so. I thought somebody said something. Hey. So yeah. Um we're just gonna be blow drying it, I guess, and I'm playing with the curls, about to comb them out with my fingers or whatever, but I'm scratching my scalp, okay, okay. Come on. So, okay. We're just massaging it into the lace, you know, cool, cool beans, cool beans. What we doing now? Okay, we got the razor. I guess we're finna cut the lace. Okay. So, always cut the ear tabs off. That's where I'm going. I'm cutting the ear tab off. There we go. Girl, something like you ain't never did this before? Come on. Make it make sense. Okay. Girl. Be for real. Why did it take you this long to cut the ear tab off? Come on now. Okay. So we're finally cutting the ear tab off after 35 years later, you know, but yeah. We cut that off. And now we're gonna get into the rest of, you know, yeah. Okay, so now I am getting the edges. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to perfect it for some reason. It still ain't gonna be that perfect, but yeah. So my hair long as crap. At this point, lace fronts, most of them don't come with edges, so you just gotta pull out the adult hairs and make edges yourself. So that's what I'm doing here. We're just gonna be making edges at this point. Like, yeah, so I don't know what I'm putting in my mouth though, but yeah. So we're gonna perfect this one, and then okay, we're gonna put it in a bun, I guess. Ain't you missing one? Where's the top one? Honey, where's, okay, there you go. Okay, then we're going to pull one from the top. And we're going to make our adult edges. Since they didn't think that synthetic lace fronts are supposed to come with edges. So I guess we gotta make do and make our own. Trust the process. Trust it. Trust the process. don't know what I'm over here talking about. I might be talking about the little ear tabs or whatever. But so yeah, then we're just gonna put some styling gel up on these edges, and I don't know why I'm putting them up there like this, cause it makes them look weird when I do it like this or whatever. But yeah, we're just gonna trust the process, you guys. We're gonna trust the process. Okay, so now we're slicking these baby hairs. I mean, these adult hairs. If you know, you know. Synthetic wigs don't come with baby hairs like that, so you gotta make your own. So, yeah. Mm. Okay, we got the first one down. Looking real, real nice. We're on to the next one. And I don't know if it's just me or if other girls do this, but you know, I like to have my hair looking a certain way. I'm more of a perfectionist, you know. So if it don't look right to me, I don't care if it take me 35 years to do it. I'm still going to be doing it. I don't care if I'm working on that same edge for about 7 hours later. I'm still going to keep working on it until it looks right to me. Okay? So, we're on the last one. And then we got the other two on the other side. Okay? So, I don't know if this one's going to take me a while. Okay, I guess it didn't. Okay, this one might take me a while right here. Because I know for a fact I want my edges to be perfect. So I know I might be working on this one for, you know, a little bit, you know. As you can see, I still can't make up my mind of which way I want to curl it or how I want to curl it. But we're going to see where it's going to take me, okay? So, still not looking right, okay? Still not looking right, so... Okay, the next day we're still working on the same one, okay? Swoop, 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 swoop. Okay. We got it looking a little decent. I feel like, yeah, she's still going to be working on that one. Yep. Still swooping. Okay, we're almost there. Just a little more. Just a little more. Okay. We're still going. Okay, baby. That's enough. That's enough. Look, girl. Look, girl. Okay, you doing too much. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're still gonna be up here. 75 years later, we're still doing our edges. Okay. And we're still working on it. Okay. We're still working on it. Okay. Okay. Lord, honey, this edge ain't gonna never be done till the day I die. I'm still gonna be working on it. Look, it's looking rough. Look at me. I'm getting so irritated because I can't even do it. Look. Why it look like that? Why it look like that? Okay, we still working on it. And yep, we're still going. We're still going. Nope. You done made a gap. You done made it worse. You made it worse. Okay, we're still going. Still going. Okay. Next one. Okay, swoop. Okay. Fix that. Fix it. It ain't looking right. Oh my gosh. Girl. It's looking a little decent. Okay. Like that. Because I know what I'm doing. I'm like that. Learn from the best. Me. Yeah. Now, we're gonna just lightly run our fingers through here. Now, I never thought to give these wigs a try because I'm picky, but at first I wasn't trusting the process, but now, oh baby, who, oh, it's me in the flesh, yeah, I thought so, but I did forget to do one thing. Oh yeah, okay, that's that BS right there. Yep, that's that BS. Yep, there it is. There you go. Yeah, here you go. And now, yeah, like that. I thought so. Yeah. Yep. Lauren, you don't like how that looks. I'm gonna have to tighten this up a little bit more. All the way to the end. There we go. There we go. And now we wait. Oh yeah. Or if you don't want to wait, use the motherfucking blow dryer. Yeah. I said that correctly. For the slow ones in the back. Let me stop. I don't know. I think I like it. I think I like it. But I'm not 100% sure, cause like, you know, yeah, you see that? You see that back there? Yeah, that's why I'm not 100% sure. Now, in the front, it looks like we can do something about that. Like, you know, like we're working with what we're working with. But then when you throw it in the back, it's like, bitch, please try again. You feel me? Yeah. So yeah, but I feel like we could work with something similar to this, but I don't know. I don't know how to feel about this. Would I try this video again? Maybe. I give it a 7 out of 10, maybe. But would I keep wearing wigs like this, I give it a half and half. Nah, I give it a 6 out of 10, maybe. It depends. But me, I'm more of a human hair chick. You know, bougie. I'm picky. I don't just get anything off the shelf and be like, okay, let me take this. Or be like, oh, this cheaper, let me take this. No, baby. Give my $300 wig now. You feel me? Now. And it better be here tomorrow. Because that's what the shipping said. And if not, you better use Pat and Charlie to get it here tomorrow. Not the day after. Or after that. Tomorrow. No delays. None of that. Tomorrow. But yeah. It looks decent. I say it looks decent. It looks decent. But yeah, I want to take this off now. Even though I didn't have it up there long. But this stuff does dry fast. So yeah. Took that off quick. See? I don't know how to feel about this, you know? So, I give it a 6 out of 10. You see how it's just this? Okay. I don't know. I give it a 7 out of 10. Yeah, I give it a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. You know? Yeah. I give it a 7 out of 10. Yeah, but yeah, 7 out of 10. That's my final answer. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below, or you know, DM me on either my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, or you know, whatever, TikTok. But yeah, I give this a 7 out of 10. I'm not used to hair like this, but I mean, it ain't nothing wrong with it. Nothing against y'all that wear synthetic, you feel me? We all still bad bitches. We all still look cute, this and that, third. But me personally, I'm more of a human hair chick, you know? I like what I like. I feel like synthetic it just gets nappy too fast, and it just doesn't last as long as human hair. But I think I like this wig a little bit. I give it a 7 out of 10, like I said before. But if I would try this again, I probably would. But yeah, this is decent for now. Look decent, you know. But yeah, that's it. That's all. Goodbye. Thank you. And I love you guys. Say that you love me back. What? I can't hear you. Girl, but you know, I'm just playing. Like, you know, I'm just playing. Huh? It's just how we play. But anyways, thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video, share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We're trying to get up, you know, do more challenges, you know, just do more, create more content and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you guys. I love you so much. I have work in the morning, so yeah.